Do your leggies. Kick your leggies. Atta girl. Kick
What
those
are
leggies.
you
What are you
doing?
doing? What are you doing in there?
How are you gonna get out?
What are you gonna get out of there?
Huh? Looks like you're having fun.
Is it a nice day? Are you? How are you gonna get out of there?
Are you rapping now? You a rapper?
Big Daddy in the pool? Oh, cutie pie. Is that fun? That was a great invention by your mom, I gotta say. You all. That's a tree.
Uh-oh.
Flip that thing over.
Yeah. Should be interesting to see how she gets out of it.
Is that cold water?
And now it's warm water.
How'd you get warm water out of it?
The faucet from the sink.
Whoa, you're about to take the whole thing over there to me.
Wow. Oh, here she goes.
That's a pretty ingenious idea, huh? Is that fun? So what's up?
What is it? What?
What are you gonna do? We just serve your meals in there too? Is that okay?
Serve it right from the kitchen window.
The drive-in, as it were?
Oh, and she's gonna try to get out.
Dismount. Dismount.
One soaky, wet kid. In and out, in and out.
Exercise.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Say bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah.